Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do my reaction to Black Lightning Season 1 Episode 7. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe, or if you like this video, give it the thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Natty Reactions. So let's get started.
Talk about non-violence and Dr. King and Dad's Black Lightning. Your ocular response are normal. My God.
She's having a heart attack.
You're healing already. Look, Anissa, you have to stop this now. Like your father.
She's worried that it's going to ruin her life the way it's,
together,
you
Dad
know.
and I can put an end to the... Do you have powers?
Oh!
Stop a bullet. Shoot lightning out of your hands?
Oh, that's not very nice.
Then how can you possibly understand what I'm going through?
There's no way you could have known it was her.
No. Well, he did
Go home, get some rest.
when he
Check on
saw her.
Jennifer, and I'll look after Lynn.
Jennifer's at Keisha's. Do you expect me to believe it only took you
Because
2
Gamby's
hours
up to something.
Get some intel on thieves in the dark web? Doesn't mean I believe you.
You shouldn't.
I didn't tell you in order to protect you from yourself.
Maybe that's why.
Jefferson, I didn't want you to do something that you would regret for the rest of your life.
Never go.
Why is he wearing a karate outfit? That is so cliche in these movies. Like the villain, he just is wearing a karate outfit because he's a martial arts expert.
Find me someone worth my time.
Oh, and of course, he's probably the best martial artist ever, like in the world or something.
Finally.
I don't think so.
Brother.
He's an angry little shit, isn't he? Oh, whoa. Christ.
He has to be hyped up on something. Check his bag.
Yeah, probably the stuff that you've been selling.
100 is trying to send you a message.
Why would the 100 care about me?
Because you're like Jesus.
You give your students.
Why is she messaging Gamby? Because he's the tailor. How is she got his number? The cleaners are on the way. What is Gamby doing? He's covering everything up. Why? Like, why would he cover that up? Like, Jefferson's wife got attacked and he's covering it up for this Eve woman. Why?
What if someone figured out that I was Black Lightning and tried to abduct you?
Driving me mad.
Why didn't they take me when they had the chance?
Side-eye.
Yes, boss?
Reach out to Lady.
Is that her name? Cyanide or Cyanide?
Eagle ass.
What's her name?
You got it.
She's talking again. Wow. She doesn't ever talk. I wonder as well if Anissa having powers has got something to do with that research stuff. You know, they're talking about kids. Something to do with kids. Like, I wonder if...
Is back to Gamby.
I don't know. Is there like experimentation? Like, what's that about? I don't know. Hopefully we'll find out.
The men who did it.
What if Janice inherited abilities as well?
He's like, no.
Much to handle even without powers.
We have to test her too. Oh God, Jefferson. I'm so scared for our girls.
Oh. It's because it's gonna put them in the... Because I want to help everybody and then they're gonna make enemies.
When I say stop arguing, that's what's got to happen.
Well, I saw Tobias. Crazy thing is, he looked like he ain't aged a day in 30 years.
How's that possible?
I'll let you know when I catch his ass.
And that's got something to do with the experimentation of the whole bet.
Wait.
I'm only speculating there's some kind of experimentation, research crap going on.
Lisa, how you feeling?
It's just a theory.
I saw that Grandpa was doing research on missing kids and enhanced abilities. So I reached out to his editor and he gave me what he had.
Oh, you know
I
what?
did what I could. But it was
Wouldn't it be bad, like, if his father
It was selfish.
was doing research and experimented on him and that's how he got his abilities?
Your grandfather was murdered. You
Oh,
don't think he was researching
maybe.
anything else that may have been dangerous?
I can only speculate. I've got so many theories.
I don't know.
I wonder if that's it. Because how did he get his powers otherwise? It doesn't make any sense. Like, it's to just be born with them. What is she? What is she doing? She work? Is her day job like at the morgue or something? Does she own a funeral home or something?
The man is a problem. If he talks, he could dismantle the whole ecosystem we've created over the years. We need to clip his
Oh,
wings.
what's he up to?
Tobias has been somewhat of a
What's Gamby up to?
stepper lately, but Gamby.
And if Tobias doesn't fall in line,
I'll throw him off that bridge when I get to it.
Oh.
We have a deal. Look, I was just trying to look out for Dad, Jen. You know, protecting is what the Pierce family does best. Alright, guys,
Hint,
I have
hint.
some errands to run.
When is she gonna bring up the like? Can I be a sidekick?
Brain scan after.
Oh, she's going to see Gamby. Oh, her mum's there.
Hey, do you? Uncle Gamby, he let me in on his way up. for
Uncle
lunch.
Gamby.
Look, I stopped past your place. I picked up.
Oh, Gamby's. That's Gamby, I bet. Oh. Gamby's like a cold-blooded killer. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's just gonna like kill him. Oh, he is like a cold-blooded killer. He's not like, he doesn't muck around. Oh shit! Don't mess with Gamby. Oh man! I bet he is like in charge of everything. It would not surprise me one bit. I mean, holy shit.
Do you want that furnace to destroy her life?
I'm not talking about destroying her life. I'm asking you
To protect
to
her.
protect it.
Yeah, because she knows she'll be a superhero anyway.
picked up some more
Oh,
food.
hi everyone! I just killed like 100 people, but here's the fruit. I don't know how he can do that.
Yeah.
Like just switch it. Oh, hi everyone.
Smith said he would make no comment until police.
He
make
thinks
an
that
arrest.
that little tape around his neck makes him look all sweet and innocent. I'm just innocent. I didn't do anything.
Wrong place, wrong
But we
time.
know better.
But I do believe you care about Jefferson and our family.
I think he does, but he's up.
And because of that,
This suit is going to be state of the art, Lynn.
Oh, he's
It'll keep
making.
it as a safe.
He's making a suit.
casket.
I'll run you through all the bells and whistles when it's done. Just give me a little.
That is
while
pretty
to
cool
get
of him to make her a suit.
Okay.
What's he up to? He's gonna take her out instead. Oh. 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 Oh, he's using the special gun because it's gonna make it look like Black Lightning did it. Oh. Oh, his sister. What happened? Oh no. Well, not like. Oh no, that he lost his sister. They're both bad, but she's complicated. So, where's his sister? Did they just leave her? Where's the sister? Did he just like leave her there? He did. Whoa. He just left. Like, oh, he didn't. They dragged him away, but. And he's gonna come after Black Lightning even more now because he's gonna blame him. Oh, sad. Totally framing Black Lightning for her murder. Oh, did she survive? No. Who's that? Oh. Oh. How did they get those guns? Like. This isn't good for Black Lightning. That's all I can say.
But without us, Freeland doesn't stand a chance.
Daddy
I don't know
daughter team. Team up.
But what I do know
So what's her superhero name gonna be?
No, you're.
Oh. Oh! Holy cow! Her face was all...
Stillwater Ferguson, a prominent member of the Freeland community, was murdered tonight.
Would have been painful.
Along with 2 employees at her resources station
Lala.
by electrocution, making Black Lightning their prime suspect. And just like that, Freeland's protector just became its biggest threat.
Oh, because they didn't know that Lady Eve was the baddie, so they think
Do
that...
you believe in the resurrection, Latavius?
What? What on earth? A little bit disappointed that we didn't get to see Black Lightning and Anissa team up yet. I really kind of was hoping that was going to happen this episode, but obviously have to wait for the next episode. Now, I know in America, I think the 8th episode's already out. Here in Australia, it's not out yet, so I have to probably wait, I think Tuesday for it to come out. So I don't know if it's already out in America, but I have seen some reactions up already, like not actually watch them because I don't want to spoil it, but I've seen the thumbnails for reactions that have been up for episode 8 already. But yeah, I'm going to have to wait for when it comes out here. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe, and I'll see you for my next reaction. Bye!